We're here in rural Mexico. We've asked a whole bunch of our members to come join us for this really epic adventure where we get to have a ton of fun together to hang out, but also do something really meaningful and give back to this community here. Previous years, we've always run a referral adventure trip as a way to say thank you to those who have referred others into the BTA program, and we decided to do something a lot more meaningful this year and bring everyone down and build these 2 houses for 2 families who quite literally right now don't have homes.
What hit me the most about this is coming from the US into Mexico and just the change in the landscape, the housing, and just everything. And I think it put things in perspective because we are super lucky where we live. We have a huge opportunity. We're all business owners. We have a lot to give. I think the biggest thing I've noticed is that when you come to a place like this, you realize how lucky you are and how much you want to give more.
Yesterday when we drove down the hill and we looked up on the hill and I saw 2 beautiful colored houses that were like flowers growing in a desert. And my heart was completely full when I saw that. BTA has given Beyond Group of Companies a community like we've never seen before. A group of business owners that want to share and help, and that we can ask questions and we can help when we can.
Being able to visit one of the orphanages with some disabled children and to see these children who really just had nothing, but they were there and still were able to find joy and love in life.